In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Yahoo Mail login problem. We've all been there, trying to check our inbox only to get stuck because we can't log in. But don't worry, in this video, we'll go through quick and simple troubleshooting steps to help you regain access to your account. Let's start with one of the most effective fixes, clearing your browser's cache and cookies. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click on the three vertical dots to open the menu. From the drop-down list, select Delete Browsing Data. A new window will appear with several options. Make sure Cached Images and Files is checked. This removes stored data that can sometimes interfere with how Yahoo Mail loads or authenticates your login. Once you've confirmed the correct option is selected, click Delete Data and wait for the process to finish. Now that your browser data is cleared, let's move on to another common issue, login credentials. Carefully re-enter your Yahoo email address and password. Double-check for any typing mistakes and remember that passwords are case-sensitive. Even a small error can prevent you from signing in. If you're still unable to log in, try using a different web browser. Switching from Chrome to Firefox, Edge, or Safari can sometimes resolve browser-specific issues. You can also try closing and reopening your browser, as this may clear temporary glitches affecting performance. These simple steps resolve most Yahoo Mail login problems without needing advanced technical solutions. Remember, when it comes to technical issues, simple fixes often work best. We hope this guide helped you get back into your Yahoo Mail account. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.